machine learning project, sir, on the ROP predictions and simulation modeling. Again, it's a new company, sir. It's a boutique company.
Good morning, friends. Today we are at Urja Varta. This is a exhibition area where Hardeep Puriji has just inaugurated the minister. We also had the CMD and the DES from ONGC, and we have this whole team. Sir, आप सबको देख लीजिए. Sir, you, sir, please come, sir. Sir, please come, sir. You can come this section.
Asset manager.
Yes, sir.
सर
So, sir.
सब ऐसे
नहीं ठीक है
साइड में आ जाइए
अरे आ जाना
Sir, you introduce yourself, sir.
myself Sudeep Gupta. I am asset manager of Mehsana, ONGC Mehsana. This is the highest producing onshore asset in ONGC.
Wonderful. Sir, आपका introduction आपका.
Yeah, I'm Suganandan. I'm surface manager of Mesan Asset. I'm for head production actually.
Sir, आपका
ONGC.
introduction.
Myself Vijay from Saros Tech India Private Limited.
You introduce, please. Pass on the mic, sir.
Myself Vishal Limbache. I am from V Power Solar Services, Mehsana.
I am Chandrasekhar, surface Mesan Asset. I am from Mesan Asset.
Thank you. So you talk about this जो आप लोग कर रहे हैं, because this is you are providing for the nation, you know, ONGC and Oil India and so many other companies. These are assets, जो Mini Ratnas and Pura, they are contributing to that GDP vision जो Prime Minister देख रहे हैं 2047 का. सर आप बोलेंगे इसके बारे में थोड़ा आज का
Yeah,
event के बारे में.
as asset manager said, we are the highest producing onshore asset. So we have our own challenges. We are for last 5 decades we are producing from Mehsana field. So we produce more water than oil. So we produce around 30,000 cubic meter of water, 30,000 cubic meter. Okay, so the handling that kind of water is always a big challenge for oil field industry. So what we did in our in Mesan asset, how to convert this produced water into a service water, because water is a scarce material actually, and Mesan asset is having water scarcity issues, and we wanted to, ONGC as a company policy, we wanted to reduce the groundwater withdrawal. So in that logic, with the vision of our asset manager, we converted this the produced water into a potable water. This is a water, feed water. This feed water is converted into the potable water or the service water. You can see this, it is a colorless, and this water is, we can drink this water like. So this water presently we are using for all our surface purposes. What is the surface purposes? We have to use the water in the cooling towers, we have to use the water in our mud preparations, we have to use the water in our service water, fire water head, hydrofracturing. So in all these locations we want to use this water. So what we did, we have not drawing water from the subsurface, we are using our own water. The water which is produced from the oil is converted into the good water, and then we are putting
It's
it
a very important information
exactly.
that you shared.
Yes, similarly we have another thing is there. Solar energy is very important for us. Renewable energy, we wanted to use it in upstream industry. So we have converted one SRP well into a solar based SRP well actually. So what we do, we generate power in the morning time, and the SRP will be, sucker rod pump will be run with this solar power actually. Then at the night we used to take from the power from the grid, that is UGVCL. Suppose if there is a power shutdown, then we have a battery backup arrangement. So that battery is again charged with the solar power. The battery can be used for 3 to 4 hours, so that the production losses can be avoided actually. So in these two techniques we have implemented in Mesan asset under the guidance of our
You
asset
would
manager.
conclude, sir.
Prime Minister set 2 dreams for the nation. One is, you must have heard, waste to wealth.
Yes.
This produced water is otherwise an waste.
Would have gone into the
Yeah,
ground.
and
somewhere.
handling that produced water in onshore is very difficult, as you were saying.
Yes.
So we have converted this waste to wealth. This North Gujarat is a water starved area. Rainfall is very minimum. So these water we are using for all our sundry purposes, as well as, and even for feeding to plants also. We have done a Miyawaki forest concept plantation. There also we are feeding this water. So waste to wealth is one. Another is the North Gujarat and Rajasthan has abundance of solar power. and we are using this solar power to run this our SRP. What is happening? We are scope 1 emission, you must have heard.
Yes, sir.
So we are trying to put more greener component in our production. So we are, instead of using coal-fired power, we are using solar power to run this SRP. So
One
this,
question is coming when the solar panels are there,
Yeah.
and the state of Rajasthan,
Yeah.
as there will be a lot of dust. So how do you take care of your solar panels, the cleaning process? If you
yeah,
could
we
tell us
have
that.
we have a very good maintenance system. Our service provider,
Right.
he is there, V Power. So what he is doing, night time he is having a mechanism to clean the.
Is it automatic cleaning?
Periodic cleaning.
Okay.
No,
Some
manual cleaning.
I've seen the technology where automatic cleaning is developed.
That is being done when we will be scaling up this technology. Now we have done it for one well. Now we
Right,
are going in a bigger way. So when we will be doing that, this automatic robotic cleaning concept will come,
Will happen.
and then our own sister company, ONGC Energy Center, they have developed one coating. Once you put that coat, the dust attraction will be very less, and you can clean it in a very efficient way. So these two will reduce, as you said, that maintenance as well as maintenance will be on automatic.
Wonderful. So I think ONGC has ventured out. Normally ONGC होता है कि it's Dehradun, you know, and then we are talking Mehsana. So it's in Gujarat, and जो मोदी जी का Prime Minister's vision and also our Petroleum Minister's vision, the energy in the last 7 years there have been a lot of new things, new development, and today we are we are doing best. We are competing with the world, and so many countries are looking for technologies from India. I think ONGC is also sharing, sir. So we'll just end it at this. Thank you. This is Sanjay Agarwal. Thank you.
Thanks.
सर आपका कार्ड लेना है सर. थैंक यू. आपका फोटो रह गया. आ जाओ.
आप भेज दीजिएगा ये.
हाँ, मैं पूरा भेजता हूँ आपको. सर आप लोग मेरा एक नंबर सेव कर लोगे ना, मुझे हेलो सर का नाम लिख के. सर माय फादर वाज फ्रॉम BHU 56.
BHU.
So his one of his colleagues, Mr. Pura, that time ONGC chairman, na?
Yeah. BC.
Yeah. And then also the police, that Mr. Marwa was also. He was ONGC chairman long back. Yeah. The police commissioner in Delhi is brother. He was having a house in Saket. So somewhere in 91 we went to buy his flat in Saket. So he was his brother was Mr. Ved Verma, the police commissioner in Delhi, and he was the ONGC. Marwa. I was forgetting. No, chairman.
Chairman ONGC.
Chairman ONGC, staying in Saket. 7289. Yeah. Sir, I am in the media. I am in the ministry coverage. So I am covering about 23 different beats. I've been into industry with my father. My father was in Carnegie, Pittsburgh. Then first job was in Rourkela steel plant, and then he was in Mukundari and Bombay Steel. So we stayed in Bombay. So he set up an industry. We were manufacturing defense equipment. But मेरा वो journalism का था ना, तो मोदी गवर्नमेंट के साथ में 16 से I am into full time media. 7289 8982 6330 33 330. संजय अग्रवाल.
संजय अग्रवाल. कौन सा मीडिया?
मेरा ये लाइव 24/7 न्यूज़ रहेगा. दिल्ली. एक आप आपका लोगों का ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ ले लेते हैं इधर.